explain. Hi ma'am, my name is Ralf Umayam from BSIT 2A WMAD. Today I'm going to explain the 10 equations for midterm exam. So, as you can see here, this is called multiplication rule. It tells us the probability of both A and B happening. First, B to happen, and then A happens given that B already did. Number 2 of the equation, this is the same as the first one, but from a different starting point. Now, we begin with A and find B given A. Example, if 40% of the students like coding and 60% of them like Python, then the probability is 0.4 times 0.6 is equals to 0.24 or 24%. Number 3 of the equation, this is the addition rule. It tells us the probability that either A or B happens. We add both probabilities but subtract the overlap since it counted twice. For example, 50% like games, 40% like anime, and 20% like both. So, 0.5 plus 0.4 minus 0.2 is equal to 0.7. That means 70% either games that means 70% like either games or anime. This is number 4 of the equation. This is the complement rule. It tells us the probability that event A does not happen. Just subtract the probability of A from 1. For example, there's a 30% chance of snow and there's a 70% chance it doesn't happen. This is equation number 5. This defines conditional probability. It tells us the chance A happens given that B has already happened. For example, if 10% are noobs and 6% are gamers who code, then the probability that a gamer codes is 60%. This is equation number 6. This is similar to the last one, but we're flipping it. This is the probability that B happened given A has happened. It depends on which one comes first in context. Equation number 7. This is the Boole's inequality. It tells us that the probability of at least one of these events happening is less than or equal to the sum of all their individual probabilities. It's helpful when estimating risk. This is equation number 8. This is Bonferroni's inequality. It gives a lower bound on the chance that all events happen. You subtract the sum of their implements from 1 to estimate the minimum combined probability. This is equation number 9. This helps us find the probability that A happens and B does not. Take the total probability of A and subtract the part that also includes B. This is the equation number 10. Law of total probability. This is the law of total probability. It helps us find the overall probability of B when B can occur in different situations. You add up all the ways B can happen, weighted by the chance of each condition. For example, 40% are BSIT, 60% are BSED, 70% of BSID pass, 90% of BSED pass. So, 82% pass overall. And that's the end of our 10 equations, formulas. I hope this short explanation is understandable and enjoyable. Thank you for watching and have a great day.